In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Pycharm. Firstly, go to the official JetBrains website and click Download under the Community Edition. Open the downloaded file and click Next to proceed. Select the folder where you want to install Pycharm or leave it as default, then click Next. You can choose Add a desktop shortcut or Update path variable, then click Next. Finally, click Install to begin installation and wait for the process to complete. Once installed, select I want to manually reboot later, then click Finish. Open Pycharm from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. On the first launch, configure settings and start coding. And done, you now have Pycharm installed and ready to use. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.